Welcome everyone to my channel Activate Chemistry. In the lecture series of Nuclear Magnetic Resonance Spectroscopy, now we are going to learn equivalent protons, non-equivalent protons and number of signals in NMR spectra. See what is meant by equivalent protons. Equivalent protons, it is a set of protons which come under resonance simultaneously at given magnetic field strength are known as equivalent protons. That is, the protons which come under resonance at the same time. In case of equivalent protons, they have similar chemical and electronic environment. These protons are shielded to same extent. They require same magnetic field strength to come under resonance, and in case of equivalent protons, their chemical shift values is same. For example, in case of methane, that 4 hydrogen atoms are attached to same carbon atom. The electronic and chemical environment of these 4 hydrogen atoms is same. Therefore, in methane, all 4 protons are equivalent and it gives only one signal in the NMR spectra. In case of dimethyl ether, there are 2 methyl groups. These 2 methyl groups have similar chemical and electronic environment. Therefore, all 6 protons are equivalent and they come under resonance at the same time. In case of acetone also, these 2 methyl group protons, they have similar chemical and electronic environment. Therefore, they are shielded to same extent and they come to resonance at same magnetic field strength. In case of 1,2-dichloroethane, these 2 methylene groups are equivalent. On both sides, they are attached to chlorine atoms. Their electronic and chemical environment is same. Therefore, all these 4 protons are equivalent and they come under resonance at the same time. Thus, the protons which have similar chemical and electronic environment and which come under resonance at the same time, such protons are known as equivalent protons. Now we see what is meant by non-equivalent protons. In case of non-equivalent protons, there are different set of protons which not come under resonance simultaneously are known as non-equivalent protons. Non-equivalent protons have not similar chemical and electronic environment. These protons are not shielded to same extent. Therefore, they require different magnetic field strength to come under resonance, and such protons have different values of chemical shift. For example, methyl alcohol. In case of methyl alcohol, there is a methyl group and hydroxy group. The protons in methyl group and proton in hydroxyl group are not equivalent because in case of methyl group, that protons have different chemical environment, while in case of OH group, that proton has different chemical environment. Therefore, they not come under resonance at the same time. They are shielded to different extent. It is observed that hydroxy group proton come under resonance earlier. Its resonance takes place at downfield, while in case of methyl protons, it come under resonance at upfield. But in case of methyl group, the protons in methyl group are equivalent. That is, in methyl group, these 3 protons are equivalent, but methyl group protons and hydroxy group protons are non-equivalent. Thus, there are 2 set of protons in methyl alcohol. Another example, in case of methyl acetate, this is a methyl group, this is also methyl group, but for these 2 methyl groups, the chemical and electronic environment is different. Therefore, these 2 methyl groups are not equivalent. They come under resonance at different time and they give different signals in the NMR spectra. In case of ethyl alcohol also, there are 3 set of protons: methyl group protons, methylene group protons and hydroxy group proton. These three set of protons require different magnetic field strength to come under resonance. Therefore, these protons are non-equivalent protons. In case of ethyl-methyl ether also, there are three set of proton. This methyl group proton and this methyl group proton are not equivalent as their chemical and electronic environment is different. And this is the methylene group proton. Thus, in case of ethyl-methyl ether, there are three set of protons and they come under resonance at different magnetic field strength. Thus, in case of non-equivalent protons, these protons have different chemical and electronic environment. They are shielded to different extent and they not come under resonance at the same time. Therefore, they have different values of chemical shift. Now, we are going to see what are the number of signals in the NMR spectra. The number of signals in NMR spectra is equal to number of set of protons in the molecule. For example, in case of ethanol, there are three set of protons, that is the A set proton, B set proton and C set proton. As there are three set of protons, the number of signals obtained in NMR spectra are also 3. In case of isopropyl alcohol, there are also three set of protons, that methyl group protons and that methyl group protons have similar chemical environment and it belongs to same group of protons, that is the A set of proton. This is the B set of proton, methane group, and hydroxy group is the C set of proton. Thus there are three set of protons, therefore it gives three signals in NMR spectra. In case of diethyl ether, these two methyl group protons are equivalent. It gives one set of protons and that methylene group protons are also equivalent. Thus there are only two set of protons, A set of proton and B set of proton, and as there are two set of protons, the number of signals obtained in the spectra are 2. Then look at that example. These three methyl group protons are equivalent as they are attached to same carbon atom. That is, this 9 protons is the one set of proton, A set type of proton. That methylene group proton is the another set and that methyl group proton is the third set of proton. And thus there are three set of protons, therefore number of signals in NMR spectra are equal to 3. Next example, 1-bromo 2-methyl propane. In that case also these two methyl group protons are equivalent, they are attached to same methane group. And as their chemical environment is same, it is the same set of protons. The second B group is the methane group proton and third group is the methylene group proton. Thus in this compound there are three set of protons. Look at that example, cyclobutadiene. In that case all protons are equivalent, they have similar chemical environment, therefore only one signal is obtained in NMR spectra. In case of benzene also there is a one set of proton, it gives one signal in the NMR spectra. In case of para-dichlorobenzene, these 4 protons, it is a para-disubstituted benzene, both substituents are similar, therefore chemical environment of these 4 protons is same, therefore it gives only one signal in the NMR spectra. The next example is paraxylene. In case of paraxylene, these methyl group protons are at para position, both are equivalent, and the phenyl group protons, that is the another set of protons. Thus in case of paraxylene there are two set of protons, therefore number of signals are equal to 2. In case of toluene also there is a one set of methyl group protons and another is phenyl group protons, and remember that when alkyl group is present on benzene ring, then phenyl group protons are nearly equivalent, that is their chemical shift values are nearly same, they come under resonance to nearly same field. Therefore, in case of toluene, there are two set of protons and number of signals are equal to 2. Then look at that structure. In that case, ethylene bromide, there are three set of protons. In that case, Ha and Hb are not equivalent, although they are attached to same carbon atom, because due to presence of double bond, two geometrical isomers are possible, cis form and trans form. In that case, A proton is trans to bromine, while B type of proton is cis to bromine. Therefore, the chemical environment of Ha proton and Hb proton is not same, therefore they are non-equivalent. And the third set is Hc type of proton, and it has number of three set of protons and number of signals are equal. Then look that structure, that is the nitrobenzene. In case of nitrobenzene, nitro group is an electron withdrawing group, and due to electron withdrawing nature, the ortho, meta and para protons are not equivalent. Therefore, in case of nitrobenzene, there are three set of protons: ortho protons, meta protons and para proton. Thus, in case of nitrobenzene, for phenyl green group proton, the number of set of protons are equal to 3. Therefore, the number of signals are also equal to 3. In case of furan, there are two set of protons. Ha type of proton, their chemical environment is same. Hb type of proton, their chemical environment is same. There are two set of protons, therefore it gives two signals in NMR spectra. In case of pyrrole, similar to furan, these two protons are equivalent, these two protons are equivalent, and third group is proton on nitrogen ring. In case of pyrrole, there are three set of protons, it gives three signals in NMR spectra. Look at that structure, cyclohexane. Cyclohexane, it is a 6-membered saturated ring, and that ring is not planar, but more stable form is the chair form. There are two types of protons, one is axial proton and another is equatorial proton. Thus, in case of cyclohexane, at low temperature there are two set of protons. And remember that the number of signals in NMR spectra are equal to number of set of protons in the molecule. Thank you.